What is LISP? It was at the 1956 Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence that John McCartney first developed the basics behind LISP. His motivation was to develop a list processing language for artificial intelligence. By 1965, the primary dialect of LISP was created, version 1.5. By 1970, special-purpose computers known as LISP machines were designed to run LISP programs. In 1980, the year that object-oriented concepts were integrated into the language. By 1986, the X3J13 group formed to produce a draft for ANSI Common Standard. Finally, in 1992, that group published the American National Standard for Common Lisp. Lisp is a high-level programming language, and also it is the first functional programming language. It was invented to support symbolic computation using linked lists as the central data structure. There was a number of Lisp dialects and programming environments have been developed. They were MacLisp, Franz Lisp, Interlisp, Common Lisp, and Scheme. Lisp is an expression-oriented language, and it has no distinction is made between expressions and statements. All code and data are written as expressions. Each expression gets a value or list of values which then can be embedded into other expressions. There are two types of syntaxes: S expressions and M expressions. S expressions are mostly used in today. These expressions gives the language great flexibility because functions are written as lists and those can be processed like data. Expressions are written as lists using prefix notation. These are written with elements separated by white space and surrounded by parentheses. Let's see what are the significant language features. Atoms and lists. Lisp uses two different types of data structures, atoms and lists. Atoms are similar to identifiers, but can also be numeric constants. Lists can be lists of atoms, lists, or a combination of the two. Functional programming style. All computations are performed by applying function arguments. Variable declarations are rarely used. Uniform representation of data and code. Reliance on recursion. Strong reliance on recursion has allowed Lisp to be successful in many areas, including artificial intelligence. Garbage collection. LISP has built-in garbage collection, so programmers do not need to explicitly free dynamically allocated memory. What is LISP used for? LISP is good at developing high-level artificial intelligence programs such as robots, computer games, pattern recognition. An excellent platform for developing AI software. Also provides a foreign function interface to facilitate interlanguage communication. And of course it allows C to access physical devices and perform complex computations on behalf of higher level LISP operations. It is poor at drawing pictures on the screen, poor documentation and lack of resources, performance. Areas of application in LISP. Artificial intelligence is used for AI robots, computer games and pattern recognition. Rather than in artificial intelligence, LISP is used for air defense systems, implementation of real-time embedded knowledge-based systems, list handling and processing, tree traversal, educational purposes. Now you can see a simple sample program written in LISP and its output. That's the end of this slideshow. Thank you.